I got an email the other day asking, what are my best tips for video? This is a series. Here's number 1. Your video must have a purpose and an end goal in mind. Do you want to demonstrate, teach, promote, explain? Each video needs to have a specific purpose. Ask yourself, what do I want my audience to do at the end of the video? Subscribe? Watch another video? Purchase a recommended product? Go to an event? Or something else? You need to answer that question before you even start recording your video. My most important YouTube tool is TubeBuddy. Just click below. TubeBuddy will help your channel get more views in less time with more engagement. Check them out below. Claim your copy of TubeBuddy at tubebuddy.com/pizzatherapy or click below. All the best in your YouTube adventures.